нахуй.
Сам откуда?
Сам из Тернополя.
A Russian FPV drone engaged a truck and a passenger vehicle simultaneously during unloading operations conducted by Ukrainian forces. Close-range clashes occurred between Russian and Ukrainian forces on the front lines near Spatogorsk. Footage shows Russian personnel securing control over positions on the outskirts of the city. Demonstrating tactical coordination and disciplined execution, Russian forces compelled the opposing units to withdraw, allowing continued advancement in the area. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. In this footage, Ukrainian forces are observed moving ATVs, pickup trucks, and buggy-style vehicles to the front line. Despite the mobility these vehicles provide, they offer limited protection in active combat zones. Interestingly, some personnel are seen riding horses, prompting questions about the practicality and safety of such methods in modern warfare. Russian drone operators carefully avoid harming the animals, and no horses are affected during the engagement. The clip underscores the challenges of frontline mobility and raises discussion points about unconventional transport methods under combat conditions. 3 Ukrainian soldiers were detected by Russian drones while moving across open terrain. Upon noticing the drones, they sought cover in a nearby trench. Subsequently, drones equipped to deliver munitions targeted the position. The engagement resulted in the trench being effectively neutralized. Russian reporting indicates that forces struck and destroyed a Kiev-aligned armored transport near the settlement of Rehorodok as it departed from Shirovo. The report emphasizes the precision and timing of the engagement, framing it as part of ongoing operations to disrupt Ukrainian movements and logistics in the sector. A Russian UAV operator detected the movement of 2 armored vehicles, an American Humvee and a British Husky, operated by enemy forces. The vehicles were engaged and disabled over several passes. In such operations, targeting enemy personnel is secondary. Priority is given to preventing rapid withdrawal by neutralizing supply and transport vehicles first. Once the vehicles are addressed, coordinates of enemy personnel are relayed to the command center. In this instance, alongside FPV operators, artillery and air units also conducted coordinated operations in the designated area. Footage shows Russian armed forces conducting airstrikes against fortifications and personnel concentrations of the 425th Special Forces Brigade in Hishino and surrounding areas. Target verification indicates that FAB bombs struck the intended positions effectively. Here is a clearer video showing Oreshnik landing in Lviv. This marks his second combat mission during the conflict in Ukraine. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone detected a group of 8 to 9 Ukrainian infantry personnel. The drone rapidly moved in to engage the position. As it approached at close range, the infantry reacted simultaneously, attempting to counter the drone as it closed to just a few meters near a soldier positioned by a vehicle. In this archival footage, soldiers from the 68th Motorized Infantry Division of the Leningrad Military District are shown capturing enemy personnel with the support of an FPV drone. The drone operator demonstrates skill consistent with extensive simulation training. January 7, 2026. A Russian drone targeted a Ukrainian ATV positioned by the roadside. 2 soldiers were inside the vehicle at the time of the engagement. Russian reporting presents a compilation of strikes carried out by drone operators from the South Group, showcasing a series of precise hits across multiple settlements. In Novosyolovka, a vehicle carrying Kiev forces manpower is shown being destroyed. In Alexeyevo-Drushkovka, operators target and disable a pickup truck, while in Ilyanovka, a Kozak armored vehicle is taken out with a direct FPV strike. The footage continues with another Kozak destroyed in Konstantinovka, followed by an enemy vehicle eliminated in Kondratovka. The sequence concludes back in Alexeyevo-Drushkovka, where a second pickup truck is struck. Each segment is framed as part of a coordinated pressure campaign. In this footage, a fiber-optic FPV drone operated by Russia's center group lies in ambush and targets a Ukrainian armored vehicle. As the drone closes in, the vehicle's driver attempts to counter the attack using a net gun, but the effort fails. The drone maintains precise control and successfully strikes the target, illustrating the effectiveness of ambush tactics combined with advanced FPV systems in neutralizing armored threats on the battlefield. Footage captured by a Russian FPV crew shows enemy forces in the rear area. Special forces from the SER group, along with units from the 344th Strategic Missile Forces and motorized infantry regiments, are seen moving into position for operations. Russian FPV units from the 14th Guards Brigade are shown striking with precision northwest of Rivnopilya in Zaporizhia Oblast, targeting and destroying a Ukrainian antenna installation. The footage emphasizes the calm coordination of the operators, drones racing low across the terrain, locking onto the antenna, and delivering a direct hit that severs communication lines in the sector. In today's footage, a Russian attack FPV drone approached a Ukrainian pickup truck during a reconnaissance mission at high speed. 2 soldiers were in the back, and as the drone closed in, one managed to jump out at the last second, narrowly avoiding the incoming threat. The clip demonstrates the increasing use of FPV drones for rapid assault and battlefield reconnaissance. In this footage, GoPro cameras capture Russian troops traveling on board a Bukhanka vehicle as they stop to inspect a destroyed American Max Pro armored vehicle positioned by the roadside. The soldiers examine the wreckage, documenting the damage and assessing the effectiveness of prior engagements.
Вот так вот. Разбабахали, тварь. Так Макс Про. Хорошо, пацаны, его разобрали. Нормально. Вступающим, друзья! Всем хорошего и отличного Нового года!
In this footage, Russian reporting presents GoPro recordings from the 60th Brigade stormtroopers advancing through dense forest north of Heliopol. The video shows their assault on a Ukrainian stronghold, including close-quarters clearing operations as positions are overtaken. The narration emphasizes the intensity of the engagement, noting personnel losses and one individual captured during the operation. Each frame provides a first-person perspective of stormtroopers moving under canopy cover, illustrating the unit's capability to dismantle fortified positions in challenging woodland terrain.
Не бойся, подходи туда-то. Туда еще подходи. Подходи, прикрой. Давай. Кидай, туда, прямо туда. Все. Что, сработаешься?
Ну, значит, съебать. Вон, видишь, горит.
На нахуй. Все, давай, добиваем. Пошли.
Че?
Не видно ничего.
Так, я понял. Все. Так. Чисто!
Все, они нахуй нас.
Все, давай, погнали, нахуй, собирайте ее. Всякую хуйню. Давай, заезжай. Давай, контроль. Стой. Раз. Два пидора, нахуй. Три, сука, сидела. Это чугун, красавчик. Роджер, дай 5. Все, красавчик снимай. Это ниндзя снимал. Позывной у тебя какой?
Раба.
Раба?
Да.
Сам откуда?
Сам из Тернополя.
In this footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense, FPV drone operators from the operational groups East, North, and West are shown conducting coordinated missions. The video highlights the use of fiber optic and standard FPV drones for reconnaissance, target acquisition, and precision strikes across multiple sectors. The operations demonstrate real-time coordination between unmanned systems and ground units, emphasizing how FPV technology is integrated into modern battlefield tactics to monitor, track, and engage enemy forces.